Welcome to our channel. This video is about point 4 garbage disposal switch options. So make sure to watch the full video. Garbage disposals are awesome machines that grind food wastes into pulp, which make food waste disposal convenient in household kitchens. Here is a comparison of the top garbage disposal switch options. Garbage disposals are turned on via some special switches. 4 popular garbage disposal switch options are air switch, wireless switch, wall switch, and toe kick switch. You can also directly wire a garbage disposal to the mains if it is a batch feed type unit. Air switch: using an air switch is the most convenient and safest way to turn on a garbage disposal. It is a pneumatically operated switch that works without any electrical wires that connect the switch with the mains. It is usually installed on the countertop near the sink. Working an air switch unit controls an electrical connection by using air pressure. It is connected to an existing electrical socket under the countertop, and it acts as an intermediary between the mains and the garbage disposal. The push button part of the air switch unit is installed on the countertop. The power module is a box with an electrical plug on one side and a socket on the other side. This power module is plugged into the existing electrical socket under the kitchen countertop near the garbage disposal. A second click on the push button will disconnect the electrical connection. Sometimes pushing the button may not work the first time; if so, push it again. The connection turns on and off alternatively for each click on the push button. Why is the air switch not working? Like anything, air switches too can get damaged. There are many reasons for this. One main reason among these is an air leak. The hose connecting the power module and the sink top switch can get holes that prevent sufficient air pressure from reaching the power module, and this rendering the whole unit worthless. The simple solution is to replace the air tube with a new one. Wireless switches are new in the market when compared to air switches. As you guessed, wireless switches work wirelessly. Just like an air switch, they don't have any direct electrical connections, so it is safe to operate them with wet hands. A wireless garbage disposal switch works based on the input it receives from the remote control unit. The power module it has is usually a rectangular box with a plug on one side and a socket on the other. This unit is plugged into a power socket under the countertop. It works as a wirelessly controlled on/off switch between the garbage disposal unit and the mains. Installation of a wireless switch: installing a garbage disposal wireless switch is super easy provided you already have a power socket near the garbage disposal, and also the garbage disposals have a plug-in power cord. Pros and cons of wireless switches. Pros: wireless switches are super convenient to use since they can be controlled from anywhere. The switch of the wireless unit can be installed on the wall, countertop, or on any convenient location. Wireless switches are safe to operate when compared to wall switches. Some wireless switches do not need batteries to operate. Cons: not all wireless switches are compatible with all garbage disposals. Large size garbage disposals have a higher ampere rating, while wireless switches have a lower amp rating. 3. Wall switch. The third option of garbage disposal switches is a wall switch. These are regular wall switches rated to run a garbage disposal. As you know, this setup involves a power switch and a power socket. The power socket is installed under the kitchen sink near the garbage disposal. The switch can be installed along with the power socket or a few inches above the countertop. I recommend the latter as it is more convenient to operate the disposal. Installation: installing a wall switch is a tedious process. The installations of air and wireless switches are easy only when there is a wall switch. Toe kick switch. Toe kick switches are garbage disposal switches that are installed on the toe kick of a countertop. They are convenient and user-friendly in many ways. Working a toe kick switch is foot-operated, or specifically, toe-operated. Its working is very similar to that of air and wireless switches. It comes with a switch, which is installed on the toe kick. A wire connects this switch to a power module which sits between the plug of the garbage disposal and the power socket from the mains. This is just like that of air and wireless switches. Pros and cons of toe kick switches. Toe kick switch is a convenient option for the easy use of garbage disposals. Let's see what their pros and cons are. Pros: less chance of getting electric shocks since it is operated by foot, unless your feet is dripping wet. Hidden from view. Installation: convenient to use for short runs, e.g. while washing a plate of food scraps. Easy to stop if any metallic objects like spoons or forks fall into the disposer. Cons: it will take some to get used to operating this switch. A bit inconvenient when disposing of large amounts of food wastes as the switch makes you stay in one place. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also remember to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you will be the first to know when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.